Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Mazda BT-50 single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4939. This shape runs from the 9th month 2015 through to the 6th month 2020. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel-drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Vehicle has suffered damage in the front end. Set of 16-inch Sunraysia mags, all with good tyres. Left power door mirror. Aftermarket Ironman tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. It has Ironman aftermarket leaf springs, airlift airbags. Also Ironman adjustable coilover front struts. Driver side door trim, power window up master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack control panel and head unit, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.